My first thoughts when I heard that Microcopy was doing live veterinary demos was excitement.
That's awesome. What an amazing opportunity to make a positive change in the lives of vets.
To show off our products in a vet space.
Veterinarians don't always get the best dental education in college, and we're able to teach them those procedures they didn't learn.
Months and months of work had led up to several of those demos.
We were looking for KOLs who truly understood the importance of veterinary dentistry, and Dr. Snyder kept coming up at the top of that list. So we reached out to him and built a relationship from there.
Hi, my name is Chris Snyder. I'm a veterinary dentist. I'm a diplomat of the American Veterinary Dental College and a diplomat of the European Veterinary Dental College.
Allow a fresh bony surface where we're going to be able to use our dental burr to perform an alveoloplasty, to remove that alveolar bone that's in that location and not worry about any of the soft tissues getting caught.
He is not only an educator, he is also an expert that even the zoo in his area relies on.
It's rewarding to see our tools trusted by someone with that level of skill.
Veterinarians watching these demonstrations can not only follow them step by step, but they will also see the quality in our dental burrs.
Dr. Snyder's videos show exactly what we offer, real precision and real results.
What better way of proving our products?
What I'm hoping vets will take away from watching the Snyder demonstration is that they can do it too. It's just a matter of understanding the tools and the steps. We have the tools, Snyder will provide them with the steps.
Moving forward, Microcopy aims to be a strong partner in the vet industry.
I would love for the vets to view Microcopy as the hub for education and tools as it relates to extractions.
Microcopy being in the vet space just means that now we can help people and their pets.
From understanding burrs to understanding how to do extractions, I want the audience to keep in mind that this is just the beginning. There's more to come. And as we grow in this space, we want you to grow with us.
This experience proves that Microcopy quality really truly speaks for itself.
For more information and to see our burrs in action, click the link below.